but it's 2816. Today we'll be throwing in some RTR lights for Meg here. Gotta show him, Not bad.
It's really nice.
So we gotta remove these clips and get this whole upper shroud off. And then once we pop that off, we got bolts down in there. Gotta take these two, there's 2 bolts on each side. We gotta just pop off, the whole thing just comes right off.
Comes right off.
Pretty easy.
How long do you think this will take?
3.5 hours maybe.
That's what you said.
See? He said maybe 2. I was like, I'd say 3.5. I said 2.5 to 3, but my highest is 3.5.
Yep, there's 2 or 3 here. Then I gotta pull this flat back and then and get my phone soaked. And then there's I gotta turn my wheel more and move it. I didn't want to do that, but alright.
Jesus. This is not a brand deal. We're just thirsty.
Hey, but I mean, if you want to sponsor us, thank you.
Jill doesn't drink them.
Or if it's like screws, I think it's screws, and then I just gotta pull this side off, and then it's done. Actually,
the bumper just comes off.
Yep.
Like you already got it out.
Yep.
Okay.
So once we get because it's done on this side, up here is good. You got both those off, cool. Yeah, once we get that bottom pallet off, and just pull it out, the whole thing just falls out.
Okay.
So I'm gonna turn the wheel real quick.
Sounds good. And she's off.
And she's off. Dang. Oh, they do it on these too. Oh, that's cool. They have the active vents.
Yeah.
Let's try to push it. Cool. Yep. So. These are all off. There we go. There we go. Good. There we go.
Whew, got it.
All that for a piece of plastic. Dude. Alright, so let's so I'm gonna push from my side. I'll just have you push in from yours. Okay. And I just Is that it? Let's see.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Ooh, that looks good. So the turn signals are blue and green. Those are turn signals.
Okay.
Power, and I figure negative, or neutral, or ground, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, because the red has the fuse. So yeah, power, and then these two, I really don't care about. You gotta take a drink break. Now I just gotta get that coyote, that little coyote badge that goes right here. Ooh, that was good. I like that they're tinted too.
I know. It's not just
I'm really happy about that. No, I don't think so. Because this has its own fuse for it.
That's just get like short.
Is that okay?
Short it out.
It won't mess with anything. Okay.
Okay, so ground we can use the ground from the battery. That's
Yeah, that's easy. We can just zip tie that up and have that hidden. Let's see here. So we're looking at it. Is it this way? No.
What are we stopping in?
That's up.
Should I get you mad?
How confident are you?
Actually, we should probably hook up ground first, right?
Should you disconnect the battery?
Yeah, I was gonna say, should we disconnect the
We're
battery?
gonna tap into the battery's ground. So we kind of have to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Either that or we can.
Let's do that first.
That's the ground.
I'm sure what we can do, honestly, we could probably just run this wire up here and go under it and just like connect it right into it. I mean, unless it won't short out or anything, will it?
Shouldn't.
Keyword.
Shouldn't.
I don't know, man.
Oh, what's wrong? You not strong enough?
I just heard a little.
Supposed to be a man.
I'm sorry. I didn't reach that level yet.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say. Good thinking.
Righty tighty.
Lefty loosey.
Lefty tighty.
That's what he said he highly did not recommend doing.
I think he said something like that.
Well, he's not a doctor.
I mean, that's in there. I mean, we'll plug it in and see if it
Like if
the
it'll work.
lights work or not.
So hook up that battery.
You got the fire extinguisher?
I don't.
Already on?
No.
What?
No sir.
No, sir.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Alright.
All right, back to the drawing board. Nope.
Maybe we don't have a good ground.
Wait a second.
Did they turn on?
Yes.
Oh, there we go.
Already on?
Yep, they're on. Now they're off.
Oh.
Now they're on. Now they're off. Now they're on. Now they're off. Now they're on.
Okay, so.
They're still on?
Yeah.
Alright. Are they on?
Yeah. Now they're off.
Let's go.
They're on.
Oh my god, that's amazing. Alright, so we're good.
What happened?
I didn't have my key far enough in there to turn it on like accessory mode. That's why they don't come on. They only come on because that's with the light switch. This is one that only comes on with accessory the accessory motor, the start engine start.
No, do it.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, alright.
That's a relief.
It wasn't me.
Thank God I didn't put that warranty. If we can do it, anyone can do it.
Honestly.
Alright, I won't say anyone. You won't believe me. Oh, yeah.
Oh, stupidos are ours?
Or yeah, we know every day
Oh, yeah.
we get something new.
Now we just put all the bolts in.
Let me before we do that.
You're right, yeah.
Let me
Just
test it real
double
quick.
check it again.
You can test it.
No.
Stop. You sure?
You turn it on all the way? No. No.
Wait, what?
Flip it the other way again. Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, okay. I was about to say, I was like, are you kidding me? Dude, that looks so good. Ooh, that looks good.
It's cool, like a smoky gray. That's the thing.
It really
that's
does.
what, yeah, I'm glad because they had like these like bright, like clear ones, and
Yeah.
I'm so happy they gave me the tinted ones. Woo! All right, let me turn it on.
Dang. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Good.
No.
I can get gas.
It's really not.
No, like we. I was like,
I
he's
wasn't in the
playing
car
with us
part
this
of
time.
Right, I'm like.
Good.
Yeah.
All right. There. Oh.
Oh my goodness. I was like, he playing with us now.
Yeah.
Alright, so we installed the RTR lights on his 2021 Mustang. If you guys really enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And we'll see you in the next one. It's been 2 8s, 1 6,
1 4.
and we're out.
And we're out.
Peace.
Peace.
Bye.
They look good.